Just open it up, okay.
So the first thing is to delete the problem lines, those lines that we don't want. So click the delete button and then just click on the ones you want to get rid of.
So that's the select lines dialog box, okay.
Yes.
We only had a couple, right?
I think you only had the one.
Okay.
And I'd actually named that wrong by accident, so good thing I messed it up. And then you hit select all lines, and it selects all the ones that are lines, but get rid of the delete button, and then select all lines, and it selects all the ones that aren't deleted.
Okay.
And then hit OK. And so that's all of our lines. And you can see we have a shift here because we added on.
Yeah. We added 5 meters.
So let's see, the last one that was shorter was line 6. You can see in the top left hand corner here, line 6. Make it line 6.
Yep.
So we go to edit geometry, set line limits.
Edit geometry, set line limits.
And pick all the ones up to and including line 6.
Okay, and those are...
And so what we actually did was we were starting 5 meters earlier. So we were starting these 5 meters earlier, so we need to shift those.
I see what you're saying. Start them at... Oh. Oh. Oh, yes. I see what you're saying. Yeah, yep.
Yes.
Yep. So we want the right side... because we were working right to left as it appears on the screen. In other words, our stripes were going right to left. Yep, that makes sense. You can see the big feature from the cable run through there. It doesn't line up either.
Yeah.
Okay, so you selected those and you're going to start them at...
I'm starting them at... Let's see. So actually, no, here's the beginning of the line.
Oh, that's the beginning.
So what we need... But this needs to be 5 longer than those.
I get it.
We can't move this negative, so we have to move that positive.
I got it. So you're going to start them 5.
So I'm going to start them at 5, and I'm going to take them to
20.
They were originally, they're 20 meters long, so we'll just
25.
take it 25.
Yep.
25, yes.
Yep.
Apply setting. And so now these ones were starting, so let me deselect all those.
Why did they shrink down so much?
Because right now what the scale here is on counts.
Oh, right. Okay.
So we've got
not
100
anything.
counts, not.
I got it. Okay.
So
Okay.
and compress them to.
Okay, I got it.
It keeps all of the.
As if they're
the points. Yeah. It just.
Right.
Kind of in scales. So I forget now what number was it? 9?
Up to and
6?
including 6.
6. Actually, yeah, 0 to 99.
Up to and including 6 point.
So 6.5 on should be, and if we start one too far, we can always rescale whichever one we need to.
Okay.
Select all of these. And we want those to go from 0 to 25.
0 to 25, yep.
So now we're all lined up here, and this is, because our ending point is the same. Our starting point is now 5, that's 9. Click OK, and you can see our pipeline running through. So let's see, is there anything else that needs to be done right
So on the screen, is it always oriented? How's it oriented?
Starting point on the left, ending point on the right.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
So now 2D layout, create XYZ file.
2D layout, create XYZ file. Okay.
And then pick north-south.
Okay.
Geosoft.
Even though in this case we were going east west.
The actual direction does not seem to be important. I'm not
'cause
sure
we're
what
gonna
the
rotate it
west
anyway.
east is. Yeah. When I selected the west east, that's when it flipped on us
flipped
the
it,
last time.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I'm not
okay.
sure why that
Okay.
is. And then arbitrary is if you have GPS and you're
Right.
walking. Component, we want both the conductivity and the in phase because we
Okay.
recorded both of those.
Format, Geosoft,
Dipole mode
sorry.
was vertical.
vertical dipole.
That's how we had it
Oh, I
oriented
get it.
out there.
Yeah.
Orientation 1, whatever that is, and then
1,
format
okay.
Geosoft. Hit choose a file name, some LL West library long West. Hit save, and then hit create
Create.
XYZ file,
Okay.
and that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Which seems right.
Okay.
So at this point, I'd like to move over to R.
Okay.